Welcome to Teloz Advanced Cloud Contact Center Solution. In this video we will learn how to assign an inbound call to a group in Teloz. Once you're logged into your admin account, go to Admin Settings. Click on the sixth option, Groups. It provides you two options, View and Add Group. Click on Add Group. Create a group name and then add specific users that you want to assign under Group Call Setup in Teloz, then save. Under the View section of Groups, you can see the new group that you have created. You can also edit settings from here, such as changing the group name and adding or removing new users. To set up the call flow to the group, go to the Numbers section in Admin Settings. Click on View. It will redirect you to DID numbers under your account. Select the desired DID number that you want to assign to the group. Now, go to Action if the call comes within office hours. Under the Forward to User section, you can set up the call flow to the newly created group. Click on Select Action, then select Group. Under Select Target, assign the call flow to the group. And then save. Congratulations! You have successfully assigned an inbound call to a group in Teloz. Teloz. Your business, connected.